Okay, the starter's back together, working. We'll fire it up in just a second. The woodruff key on the center of the alternator, which is actually the part that turns the crank, sheared. There's no good reason for it. It's not the fault of the kit, because the kit just reuses the woodruff key that used to spin the alternator previously. But I guess it was old and tired because it just sheared right in half. And I just took it out of there and got another woodruff key and put it in its place. And now it's back together, and we've got gas on, key on, and we'll press the magic button over here. There it goes. I'm going to kill it and start it again. All right, let's do it again. Kill it, start it again. Really kind of cool. Working great. All right, I'm going to button it up. Should be ready to go.